Go, Nick, go.
Hold on to it, Joey. Guys, communicate. Ha! What was that? You blind fired!
You're gonna die, Christian.
Oh, dude, yo, he aimed.
He aimed?
He aimed.
I didn't see his face for shit.
I saw him. It was clean. Right back in the